Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am making bread pudding. I'm using brioche bread, which is nice and moist. This is diced and this is one brioche bread, 1 pack. This will be placed into the oven for lightly toasting for about 5 minutes so as to remove the moisture from the bread. I also have some grated nutmeg, cinnamon, condensed milk. This is 3 egg yolks, 3 whole eggs. I am using, guys, coffee creamer. Super delicious. This is a little twist right here. I am also using half and half. All right, and some vanilla extract and butter flavoring. So if we're gonna do this, we might as well go over the top. First, we need to make our base, and to this bowl we add our eggs, and this would be our egg yolks. I'm also adding 3 eggs. All right, we're gonna whisk this together. So now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of butter extract, and we'll whisk this together. Here I'll be adding my half and half. My nutmeg and my cinnamon, my coffee creamer, and that is 2 cups, and whisk together. Okay, now guys, I'll be going in with my condensed milk and we'll whisk this together. Guys, our custard is looking nice and creamy and it smells absolutely amazing. Alright, so now we're going to put this together. So now we will be putting our bread pudding together. Our bread is nice and lightly toasted. We have our custard and we also have some raisins. Alright, so I've added some bread already. And I like the raisins to be all over. So I'll put that, then I'll add another layer of bread before I add my custard. This is so delicious already, guys. The bread is just amazing. That's why I love to use brioche bread for my bread pudding. Now I'll go ahead and add my custard. Gonna soak everything up really good. Guys, I do apologize for the lighting in this video. I have a new camera and I'm just trying to get accustomed to the lighting. I'm still trying to learn it. Oops. Okay, we're gonna make sure this is filled all the way. All the bread soak up that delicious custard we would have made. So guys, before I place my delicious bread pudding into the oven for baking, I sprayed a piece of foil paper with nonstick spray. Then I'll put this over and let this cook for the first 35 minutes. All right, so the bread pudding is now placed on a baking sheet. I'll add some water, that is some warm water, to the pan before I place it in the oven for the first 30 minutes. Hi guys, this is my must-try delicious brioche bread pudding. Guys, if you do, please let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.